So I found the planet video very interesting. I can't imagine a planet that is the core is all a diamond. I thought that was fascinating. The planet that was all water. It makes me wonder what kind of life might be living in all that water and how the core was compressed ice. I thought that was interesting. I've never heard of ice being formed by compression as opposed to freezing temperatures. Um, I also thought that that was the planet that was the closest to Earth as far as its makeup and the ability to possibly sustain life of some sort. Um, that would be similar to what we have on Earth. I thought that was amazing that we have sent a craft out and it has found this planet that is the right distance from its sun and has all the components that we know sustain life as we know it. Again, there could be other life that we just do not recognize yet because we've never seen it and we don't have any way to quantitate what it is because we've never seen it. So um, that's my take on it. I think it's fascinating that we're able to go out there and find these other planets and have such an in-depth idea of what they're made of, and yet they're too far for us to even reach. So that's my that's my take.